Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. My today's video is very creative and it is very unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, very pretty, stylish, creative and artistic design ideas of leaf hand embroidery. Yes friends, all of these designs are leaf hand embroidery designs, or you could say plants hand embroidery designs, or you can also say that botanical leaves and botanical garden inspired hand embroidery patterns. All of these designs are totally based on one color hand embroidery stitch, and that is a green color. Different shades of green color could be used to make different types of leaf hand embroidery designs, but most of the hand embroidery stitches used to make leaf embroidery patterns are only two embroidery stitches, and that is for smaller leaves you can use lazy daisy stitch, and most of the times for bigger leaves you use fly stitch. I'm repeating it again, for bigger leaves and medium size and large size, and for very small size and mini leaves you can use lazy daisy stitch. All of these stitches are not fixed, but most of the times and mostly these two stitches are used for making leaf embroidery designs. So for watching more designer, creative, stylish and amazing ideas of hand embroidery, handwork and much more related to women fashion, subscribe our channel and don't forget to like my video and share my videos with your friends and family. See you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves. Stay blessed.